The Supreme Court's hearing arguments today as a Texas man hopes to reverse his death sentence. Justices stayed Ruben Gutierrez's execution in October, just 20 minutes before he was set to die by lethal injection. He was found guilty of stabbing a woman to death in 2008. Now Gutierrez wants the Supreme Court to allow DNA testing he says would help prove he's not eligible for execution. Senior Washington reporter Devin Dwyer is following that case for us. So, Devin, what does the court have to consider here?
This is one of the rare cases, Diane, in which the Supreme Court has put on hold an execution. And, you know, it comes as advances in DNA testing in recent years have given death row inmates a new avenue to challenge their convictions and their sentences. And today, the justices took on this case from Texas, as you said, which has executed, we should say, more people than any other state, and taken on the question of whether or not this man, Ruben Gutierrez, deserves a chance at getting additional DNA testing to prove that he was not on the scene and did not actually kill an elderly trailer park manager in 1998. Now, he believes that the evidence that the DNA will show will make him ineligible for the death penalty. Under Texas state law, you have to have certain elements to be able to be executed. He says by showing he wasn't there, he will get free from that. Now, he does concede he was an accomplice, Diane. He was a part of this crime. The conviction will stand. But today, the court taking up this question of whether due process rights under the Constitution have to at least give him a shot at testing this evidence to save his life.
Now, Gutierrez also had previous execution dates delayed over religious freedom claims. So how are prosecutors approaching this case now?
Well, you know, they say this is all about delay tactics. This case has been going on for 25 years, and state attorneys today argued at the Supreme Court, Diane, that whether or not the DNA testing in this case moves forward, the facts and evidence show that he was involved in this grisly murder. A woman stabbed with a screwdriver, executed in her home, $600,000 stolen. Those facts stand, and that the DNA testing wouldn't change those facts. So the state is saying it has discretion to perform this testing. It does not want to do that this execution should go forward. I have to say today the court was very divided. Justice Brett Kavanaugh, who could be the swing vote here, seemed to suggest that this inmate should be given at least the chance to do this testing, and we will see, again, a rare case at the Supreme Court granting a delay of an execution, Diane.
All right, Devin Dwyer, thank you.